How you like this beautiful burgundy? This is the Mazda CX-30 all-wheel drive. Just got it yesterday. Getting ready to take it out for my first drive. Give you a quick look at the front here. Then I'll hop in and take off. What do you think? Love that color. Black accent mirrors. Beautiful. Oh, beige interior and brown. Nice combination. You know I gotta do my cup test. Oh, it might. Nope, it doesn't fit. What can I say? All right, let me hit the road. See you in a little bit. Let's take a detailed walk around of this 2025 Mazda CX-30 Turbo Premium Plus, finished in a soul red crystal metallic. Up front, Mazda's bold gloss black grille pairs with slim adaptive LED headlights that swivel in the turns, making night drives safer. Check out these 18-inch black alloy wheels, wrapped in P215 by 55R18 tires, striking the perfect balance between sharp handling and a smooth ride. Along the side, body lines stay clean and elegant. Black heated side mirrors with memory and tilt in reverse. The gloss black roof spoiler and roof rails hint at both style and practicality. At the rear, signature LED taillights and dual exhausts keep things sporty. Pop the power liftgate and you get about 20 cubic feet of cargo space, expanding to nearly 46 cubic feet with the rear seats fold, enough for your weekend adventures or your shopping runs. Mazda did not forget the rear passenger comforts and tech. Open the rear door and you're greeted by door panels with soft touch materials, real stitching, and brushed metallic trim. Makes everything you touch feel genuinely upscale. Sliding inside, you're greeted by white leather trimmed seats. But rear leg room's a bit snug. Not the best seats for adult comfort on long drives. Up front, power adjust leather seats with lumbar support and memory make it easy to find your perfect position. Great for empty nesters on long cruises, ensuring comfort no matter where you sit. This power sliding glass moonroof bathes the cabin in natural light, perfect for scenic drives or just stargazing. Now let's slide into the driver's seat. Behind the wheel, analog gauges blend with a digital center display showing all-wheel drive information, boost pressure, fuel economy, and active safety features. A 10.25-inch color display now features touch functionality for Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an active driving display. Keep everything visible and easily accessible. The Mazda CX-30 has simple, intuitive controls, including a rotary dial, real buttons, and a wireless phone charger under the dash. Let's take a look under the hood. Mazda's SKYACTIV-G 2.5-liter turbo engine delivers 227 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque on regular gas, paired to a 6-speed automatic with sport mode. Fuel economy comes in at 22 miles per gallon city and 30 miles per gallon highway. Mazda's i-Activ Sense Suite brings radar cruise control with stop and go, lane keep assist, smart brake support with pedestrian detection, blind spot monitoring, traffic sign recognition, a 360-degree view monitor, and more. These features don't just protect, they give you more confidence whether you're cruising highways or navigating tight city streets. A corner carving experience that feels more hot hatch than crossover. The Mazda CX-30 Turbo Premium Plus isn't just another small SUV. It's a statement, practical, premium, and most of all, playful. If you're a younger driver chasing thrills or an empty nester craving comfort with a sporty edge, this might just be your perfect match. Or if you're looking for a compact crossover that still stirs your soul, this is it. This is Roosevelt. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to AutoNetwork for more of my detailed walk-arounds and POV test drives. See you next time. Oh, I forgot. Enjoy the rest of the video.